And welcome to Mouselow Car Centre. I'm pleased to offer this 2011 Hyundai Santa Fe 2.2 CRDi Premium 4-wheel drive in metallic silver. It has done 91,000 miles since new and comes with a full service history. Features include a full leather interior with heated front seats, rear parking sensors, cruise control and climate control with air conditioning. For more information or to arrange a test drive, please call us on 0161 494 2113 or visit our website at www.mouselow.co.uk. Thank you for watching.